Hello and welcome to Barcelo Hall, home of NIU's College of Business. My name is Andrew Rasmussen and I'm a technical associate here in Barcelo Hall. This is Jeanette Biava and she is Tech Resources Office Manager. Today we are going to show you how to use the technology available to you in our standard classrooms. When you enter the room, there will be a set of light switches on the wall. The first light switch will turn off all the lights except the lights by the screen. The middle switch dims the lights, and the last switch controls the lights by the screen. There is also a set of switches up by the podium. To lower the screen, push the manila button down. It will stop by itself. To raise the screen, push the button up. If you want to stop the screen, push the button to its middle setting. The podium houses the computer, the VCR, the power supply, the switch box, and the document camera. The door underneath the flat panel monitor holds the computer. The drawer holds the remotes to the room, and the door underneath the drawer holds the power supply, the VCR, and the switch box. To turn the projector on, open the drawer and pull out the remote that is labeled projector. Stand near the projector and push the green power button once. The red light on the projector will turn green and you will hear the fan turn on. When the screen shows up, it should read Input A in the upper right-hand corner. If it says something different, push the Input button until the screen reads Input A. The Input button is directly underneath the Power button. To turn the power supply on, open the door underneath the document camera. There is a blue switch in the upper right-hand corner of the cabinet. When the switch is in the on position, the VCR and the switch box will turn on. To turn the computer on, push the blue button once. The monitor should turn on automatically. If the monitor doesn't turn on, push the power button once. It is the button on the right. You can log on to the computer two different ways. You can put a check mark in the Workstation Only box and click OK, or you can enter your Novell username and password and change your context. If you checked Workstation Only, you will have internet access, but you will not have access to your network drive. The Podium computers contain most of the same software installed on your office computer. To open the document camera, place one hand on the base and pull up on the blue ring. Once the camera has been raised, turn the head of the camera away from you until the buttons are facing you. To turn the camera on, push the power button. You do not have to hold the button down. Using the buttons on the top of the camera, you can zoom in and out, and you can also focus. The VCR is a standard VHS VCR. It is also hooked up to the local cable TV feed. When a tape is inserted in the VCR, it will automatically start playing. The switch box controls what video input is displayed from the projector. There are two rows of buttons on the face of the box. You only have to use the first three buttons in the second row. These buttons are labeled PC Laptop, VCR, and Document Camera. To switch to your desired input, just press the corresponding button. The switch box also controls the audio output. If you have a tape playing in the VCR, but the document camera is being displayed from the projector, the tape's audio will not be broadcasted. If the sound is too quiet, the dial labeled volume will adjust the sound level. If you want to use your laptop on the projector, there are audio, video, and network hookups on the top of the desk, and the corresponding cables are inside the drawer. The hookups are located in the black inlay next to the monitor. Once you have your laptop connected and powered up, push the PC Laptop button on the switch box. There is an additional switch box located directly above the computer that is labeled 1 and 2. It is normally set to 1. To display your laptop, press the 2 button, and make sure your laptop is set to display to an external monitor. To display the regular computer, press the 1 button. When you are done teaching in the classroom, make sure you have everything locked and powered off. put everything away in the drawers. To turn off the switch box, switch the power switch back to off. To turn off the computer, use the start button like you would on your computer in your office or at home. So click start and then click shut down and then click OK. To turn the projector off, take the remote labeled projector and push the power button. When you push it the first time, it will ask you if you want to turn it off. To confirm the power down, press the power button once again. To lock the door, just close the door as usual and turn the knob to the left. Make sure you do this for both doors and the drawer holding the remotes. That covers the training for the standard classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 752-TECH or send us an email at contact@niu.edu. Thank you.